Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have another interesting indefinite integral. The integral of 1 over x into bracket x squared plus 1 dx. So our goal is to find a means of evaluating this integral. But I'm going to show you guys a very nice trick of which you're not going to make use of any u substitution. No u substitution. Can you do that if this is prohibited? Can you? So we're not going to make any substitution in this video. So let's see the magic. Should I call it magic? Or skills or techniques? Anyone. So here we go. We have I is equal to the integral of, now this one here we can rewrite that numerator as x squared plus 1. So if you put this at the numerator, for us to balance we need to subtract x squared. You get the idea? So here we'll be dividing this by x multiplied by x squared plus 1. Then we have our dx. Okay, so from here we're going to split the denominator. Okay, so this is how we're going to do it. So this is I. The I is equal to the integral of x squared plus 1 divided by x multiplied by x squared plus 1 dx minus the integral of x squared all over x into bracket x squared plus 1. Then we have our dx. You get the idea now? So you can see what is going on there. Even the blind, just like I always say, the blind will notice that this and this will cancel, right? And here this x will reduce this to just x. So from here now we have I is equal to the integral. So here we have 1 over x dx minus here the integral of x divided by, we have x squared plus 1 here, then dx. But I think this should be almost either the second or third line of the solution, I think so. So from here now we can see something really nice going on, but we need to do something. What is that thing? Did you see it? We can write 2 here and we can divide by 2 because we know that these 2 will cancel that 2, right? Okay, so from here now let us recall the following standard properties of indefinite integral. So we have that the integral of 1 over a, the a is equal to the natural log of a plus c. I hope you know this, right? And again, the integral of f prime of x divided by the function of x itself dx is just the natural log of the function itself without wasting our time. So here we know that this one here we can make use of it here, right? Then this one, where is it coming from? We're going to make use of it here, so that's why I introduced that. If you observe that the derivative of this denominator here will give us the numerator 2x. You see the idea now? I hope that is really nice, right? It works like magic, but not magic. Okay, so now let us proceed. So using these properties, so we have the following: I will be equal to the natural log of x, right? Minus here we have 1 over 2, then the natural log of the denominator x squared plus 1, and here we have our plus c. But we need to simplify further, right? Put 2 here and divide this by 2. Again, with the property of natural logarithm, these 2 here up here will become the power of x here, right? So we get I is equal to 1 over 2 the natural log of x squared, right, minus 1 over 2 the natural log of x squared plus 1, and we have plus c. We still need to further simplify, right? So here we get I is equal to, oh, that will not be enough, right? Okay, so we have here that I is equal to, observe that we have the same denominator, so we can write as the natural log of x squared minus the natural log of x squared plus 1 the whole of this divided by 2, and we have plus constant, right? So from here we can make use of another interesting property of logarithm. We know that the log of a divided by b is equal to the log of a minus the log of b, right? And here we can see we have subtraction. So finally our I will be equal to the natural log of, okay, so let me write this properly. Oh God. Okay, so it will be the natural log of x squared divided by x squared plus 1, right? Then divided by 2 plus c, right? So now we can say that the integral of 1 over x into bracket x squared plus 1 dx is equal to 1 over 2 times the natural log of x squared divided by x squared plus 1 plus c. So this here is our solution. If you enjoy my videos, kindly support the channel by subscribing. Just subscribe to my channel, please. To help the channel grow, do not forget to like, comment, and share with your colleagues.